it's a king brown. How's it going? I'm here with my young fella today at the Blue Hole. He wants to do some rock hopping. We will bring you along on our day. Watch out for king browns in here, bud. King brown snake. Do you know what the most venomous snake is? It's called a fear snake. Inland taipan. And do you know what you're supposed to do if you see a snake? Just stand still. When they feel threatened, that's when they'll most likely strike. So just if you see a snake, what do? Just gotta stand perfectly still. What do?
Stand still.
Yeah. It's cool here, eh?
Yeah.
What is this? Oh, it's a king brown.
I found some holes here.
Holes.
Yeah, but they have water in them.
Really?
They're all around here. There's so much. There's like one there, and one there.
Already got the shirt off because it's hot. It's a beautiful day today. Dad's already got his shirt off because it's bloody hot. Buzz. And we're on. There's a crocodile that used to just kick back over here. Down in the water here, crocodile. Look at that. Beautiful little area. Wonder what's over there, son. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, true. Look at that. Yeah, come down, Jax. Oh, it's a nice view, eh? Look at that, son.